Now, students, all of you see page number 29 once again. I am reading this paragraph. The Monroe system. Listen carefully. This is also one of the system for collecting revenue. In the British territories, territories means areas, region. In the south, there was a similar move away from the idea of permanent settlement. So, in the British areas, in southern side, so British officers, they moved away from the olden method. Which was the olden method? Permanent settlement. Because of the so many problems. The new system that was devised. Now here also in southern part, new system, new method which was designed, was devised, came to be known as the Rayatwar or Rayatwari system. Now try to understand. I am reading this paragraph above. So Rayatwar system, as well as we can say the Rayatwari system, which was started in the southern part. It was tried on a small scale by Captain Alexander Reid. Underline Alexander Reid, name of the British officer. By Alexander Reid, Captain Alexander Reid. Now it was tried. It was tried means this method, Rayatwari method, on a small scale area, on a particular areas. In some of the areas, particular areas means in some of the areas by Alexander Reid, which was carried out in some of the areas that were taken over by the company. But taken over by the company means company who control some areas after the wars with Tipu Sultan. Now, after the wars, after the winning, we can say the controlling, defeating Tipu Sultan. Now, some areas controlled by the company. Now, in these areas, Captain Alexander Reid started Rayatwar or Rayatwari system. Subsequently, after that, developed by Thomas Monroe. Underline this name also, Thomas Monroe. Now, whatever the system, method, which was adopted and carried out by the Captain Alexander Reid. Now, after some years, now we can say the after. Subsequently means after. So, developed as well as the continued also by Thomas Monroe. Underline Thomas Monroe, this word, name. This system was gradually extended all over South India. All over South India now, gradually, step by step, not suddenly, not at the same time, stepwise. In we can say the slowly. Rayatwar system, which was adopted and carried out all over South India, stepwise. Now I am reading this paragraph. Try to understand this one. Reid and Monroe, both of them realized that they knew that in the southern area, There were no traditional zamindars. Reed and Munro, both of them, they felt that in southern area, there were no zamindars like those who were in northern side. Because of no zamindars, the settlement, they felt that had to be made directly with the cultivators. Now underline cultivators. Cultivators means here royat, peasants, farmers who had tilled underline. Till means cultivated. The land for generations had to be made directly with the cultivators, means collection of revenues directly from peasants, farmers, without any middleman or without any middle person like zamindars and headmen, etc. So collecting of revenues directly from the peasants, royat. So that this system or method, which was known as a royat war as well as the rayatwari system. Now these peasants who cultivated their land from so many years for generations, their fields had to be carefully and separately surveyed before the revenue assessment was made. Revenue assessment. Assessment means here amount of tax. Before charging amount of tax, their land, their fields had to be carefully checked. Munro thought that the British, now I am reading this paragraph. Now you can see this picture. Now Thomas Munro, governor of Madras. He was the governor of Madras. Now 1819 to 26. Now he carried out Rayatwar or Rayatwari method in the southern parts of our country. I am reading this part. Munro thought that the British, British should act as a paternal father figures, protecting the royats under their charge. Thomas Munro, he was the governor of Madras, and now he felt that Britishers, now they had to play a role as a father to protect. They had to protect farmers' lives as well as they had to provide whatever they wanted under their charge, means under their administration. Now students, here this paragraph is over. Now next one we will read in next clip.